Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with your chosen image in Photoshop. In this video, I will show how to make sketch art in Photoshop. First, duplicate your background layer. Next, desaturate this new layer to remove all color, creating a grayscale base. Then, duplicate this desaturated layer. This second copy will be crucial for the next steps in transforming your photo into a compelling sketch. Now, select the top desaturated layer and invert its colors. This will make your image look like a photo negative. After inverting, change the blending mode of this layer to color dodge. Don't worry if your image appears almost completely white. This is the correct visual cue for our next step. This blending mode is key to revealing the sketch lines. With the color dodge layer still selected, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. This is where the magic happens. Adjust the radius slider. As you increase the radius, you'll see the sketch lines begin to emerge from the white background. A radius between 2 and 10 pixels often works well, but feel free to experiment for your desired effect. To add more depth, create a new layer above your sketch and fill it with 50% gray. Change this layer's blending mode to Overlay. This adds a subtle texture. You can also add a levels or curves adjustment layer to fine-tune the contrast and brightness of your sketch. Use a soft brush or eraser on a mask to selectively enhance or soften areas, giving your sketch a polished, artistic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.